The global vegetable market depends on onions. They are one of the most traded vegetables. Millions of tons are produced and traded each year. Onions are crucial to the global food supply. They provide flavor and nutrition to countless dishes. This video will explore the fascinating world of onions. Get ready to learn everything about these pungent powerhouses. There are many types of onions, each with a unique flavor and culinary use. From the common yellow onion to the more exotic shallot, onions are a staple in kitchens around the world. Yellow onions are common and versatile, great for cooking a wide variety of dishes. They have a balanced flavor that becomes sweeter when cooked, making them perfect for soups, stews, and roasts. White onions are perfect for salsas and dips. Their strong flavor holds well in raw preparations, adding a zesty kick to any dish. Red onions add color and a milder bite to salads. Their vibrant hue and slightly sweet taste make them ideal for fresh dishes, sandwiches, and garnishes. Sweet onions like vidalias are low in sulfur, making them mild and delicious raw. They are perfect for salads, sandwiches, and even grilling, offering a gentle sweetness. Shallots, with their delicate flavor, are often used in sauces and dressings. Their subtle taste enhances dishes without overpowering them, making them a favorite among chefs. Onions are packed with nutrients, including vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They are a healthy addition to any diet. They are low in calories and high in vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants. These nutrients support immune health, digestion, and overall wellness, making onions a superfood in their own right. This session is brought to you by NavaTies, your ultimate destination for all things about international trade. Whether you're looking to learn about global trade or need assistance with imports and exports, such as preparation and documentation, consignments and logistics, or marketing and sourcing support, NavaTies has got you covered. Visit navaties.com to register for free today and unlock a world of opportunities. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Onions add depth and complexity to savory dishes, transforming simple recipes into culinary masterpieces. Onions can be caramelized to bring out their natural sweetness, roasted to enhance their flavor, fried for a crispy texture, or eaten raw for a sharp bite. They are the base for countless sauces, soups, and stews, providing a rich foundation for many beloved dishes. But their uses extend beyond the kitchen. Onions have been valued for their medicinal properties for centuries. They contain compounds that may boost the immune system, fight inflammation, and even help reduce the risk of certain diseases. Onions are used in some traditional medicines, where they are believed to have healing properties. They are also used in the textile industry as a natural dye, providing a sustainable and eco-friendly option for coloring fabrics. The global onion trade is currently valued at approximately USD 5.3 billion, fluctuating between USD 3.7 billion and USD 5.3 billion over the past 5 years. In terms of volume, the trade stands at around 9.8 million tons, with variations from 7.6 million tons to 9.8 million tons during the same period. The average price per kilogram of onions traded is about 54 cents. The top 10 onion importers are the USA, United Kingdom, Germany, Senegal, Vietnam, Malaysia, Canada, Bangladesh, Netherlands, and Japan. Conversely, the leading exporters are the Netherlands, China, India, Mexico, USA, Spain, Egypt, Peru, Poland, and New Zealand. India's onion exports currently amount to approximately USD 671 million, providing about 2.5 million tons to the global market at an average price of 27 cents per kilogram, which is far lesser than world average. India holds a 12.51% market share by value and a 25.3% share by volume. Over the last 5 years, India has consistently maintained a market share between 11.11% and 15.77% by value, with revenues ranging from USD 411 million to USD 673 million. So if you are looking to do imports in onions at better rates and better quality, India should be your destination for procurement. While this is about India's trade, you can generate more reports for onions trade about any country directly on the NavaTies platform. Onions have been a staple in kitchens around the world for centuries. But their future is looking even more exciting. The future of onions looks bright. Farmers are more optimistic than ever as they harvest bountiful crops of these versatile vegetables. Consumers are increasingly seeking out different onion varieties. From sweet vidalias to pungent red onions, the demand for diverse flavors and textures is growing. This has led to the development of new hybrid onions with enhanced flavor and color. Scientists are working tirelessly to create onions that not only taste better, but also look more appealing. Technology is transforming onion farming. Farmers now use advanced tools and techniques to monitor their crops and ensure optimal growth conditions. Precision agriculture techniques are improving yields and reducing waste. Automated machinery and data-driven decisions are making onion farming more efficient and sustainable. Further, the entry of organic farming has made onion farming more chemical-free and healthy. So, next time you chop an onion, remember, you're holding a global superstar. This humble vegetable has a bright and spicy future ahead, thanks to the dedication of farmers, scientists, and consumers alike. How can NavaTies help you in exploring the global trade of onions? NavaTies provides comprehensive country facts and in-depth market research on the global onions trade. It offers you detailed insights into top countries that import onions based on various parameters. Further, you can use our business ecosystems to meet business owners who belong to vegetables and related products industry, or access our world directory of companies, trade and government bodies, which you can use to improve your export or import business. Click the link in the description and download the detailed report of global onions trade or visit navaties.com. In summary, the international trade of onions in the vegetables and related products industry is a dynamic and evolving landscape driven by changing consumer preferences, technological innovations, and global market dynamics. By understanding the product analysis, uses, international market overview, and market trends and opportunities for onions, stakeholders in the industry can make informed decisions and leverage growth opportunities in the competitive global marketplace. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. See you in the next one.